Good morning, students. I am Sapna Gautam, science teacher, Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Fazilka. Students, we have discussed almost all topics related to chapter 18, pollution of air and water. And today we will discuss last topics of this chapter. Let's start. Students, in previous video, we have discussed how water get polluted and Ganga Action Plan, Ganga Action Plan, NMCC. These topics we have discussed, and now today we will discuss what is potable water. What is potable water? Potable water क्या होता है? Today we will discuss. So water which is suitable for drinking. Potable water means water which is suitable for drinking. For drinking is called potable water. So how various physical and chemical processes in the sewage treatment plants, sewage treatment plant help to clean water before discharging it into water bodies. So municipal bodies treat the water before supplying it to household. So let's see how water can made safe for drinking. How water can made safe for drinking, like physical method of use. Physical method of removing impurities. And household filter is a candle type filter. Household filter is used, or many household use boiling method for remove impurities. Boiling kills the germs. It is the best method to remove germs from the water. And next is chlorination, in which chlorine is added to it is chemical method, and in chlorination chlorine is added to the water for purifying water. Chlorine is added to the water for purify water. It is a chemical method. And there are reduce, reuse, recycle should be our mantra. Reduce, reuse and recycle. These are also used. So water treatment plants should be installed in all industrial areas. WWTP, which we have studied in 7th class, wastewater treatment plant, in which water is used by cleaning, purifying. And there are also many methods that are used to pure water, that are used to remove the impurities from water. And there are creative ideas also, reusing water for washing, for other household tasks, like water used for washing vegetables, and watering the plants, also. So this is also our responsibility. So for save water, we have to close tap while brushing, and don't leave the tap running away, waste several liters of water. So use water in plants after washing vegetables. In this way we save water that is very precious for us. So students, this is the last topic and last chapter of 8th class science. So you have to learn and read out all chapter question answers related to this chapter. And thanks. Have a nice day.